Now we will continue with our lesson number 12. Can we share? Today's first topic is here one question is written. Divide 20 by 5. Now we will write division sentence and multiplication sentence for this question. Now you all are knowing how to write division sentence. See, first divide 20 by 5. Means how we will write? The meaning of this is, if I am having a 20 balls, then that ball should divide into 5 equal groups. This is the meaning of this question. And in each group, how many balls will come? This is the answer for the question. First, we will write the division sentence for this question. So, when we are writing division sentence, first write the total number of balls. Here, total number of balls is 20. So, first write down 20. Then, put a division sign. And then, in how many groups these 20 balls should divide? In a 5 groups. So, we will write here 5. This is our division sentence. Means 20 divided by 5. So, 20 divided by 5. Now, if we want to find the answer, how we will get it? Here we will start the table of 5. We will recite the table of 5 till we get the answer 20. So, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20. Means here 5 fours are 20. Means here our answer is 4. Means in each group there are 4 balls. Now we will divide it in a 5 group to cross check our answer. See, 5 groups, and in each group how many balls are there? 4. So, see, this is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Means this is a 1 group. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a second group. 5, 6, 7, 8. This is a third group. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a next group. And 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is a next group. Now, how many groups are there? See, this is our first group. This is second, 3, 4 and 5. Means, if we will divide 20 balls in a 5 group, there are 4 balls in each group. And this is the correct answer. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Means this answer is a correct. Like this we can write the direct answer in a division sum. Now multiplication sentence. Now when we are writing multiplication sentence, what we are doing? We have to multiply these two numbers and 20 we will get as a product. Means answer of the multiplication. See. 4 multiplied by 5 is equal to 4 5s are 20. 20 is a product. So, what is the meaning of this? If there are 4 balls in each group and if there are 5 such groups, then total number of balls are how many total number of balls? So, our answer is 20. This is the meaning of this sentence. Like this we can write division sentence and multiplication sentence for given question. Now our next topic is write division and multiplication sentences of the numbers. Here some questions are given, numbers are given. We will write the answer of this division sentence and then we will write multiplication sentence. So first 10 divided by 5. Here which table will come? 5's table. So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. Means here our answer is 2 because 5 twos are 10. And when we are writing multiplication sentence, what we are doing? We have to multiply this 2 number and we will get 10 as a product. So 2 multiplied by 5 is equal to 10. This is our multiplication sentence and this is our division sentence. Next, 24 divided by 4. Now which table here 4's table. We will start 4's table till we get answer 24. Now 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24. Means here our answer is 6. Why? Because 4 6 are 24. Now we will write multiplication sentence. For that what we will do? We will multiply these two numbers. Means 6 multiplied by 4. Answer is 6 4s are 24. Now here, as you all are knowing, in multiplication, if you will change the order means here 2 multiplied by 5. But if you will change this order, you can get the same answer as a product. Means suppose here first 2 number written. Now if I will write first 5 number, then 2 number. Means here I change the order. Means 5 twos are, then also I will get the answer 10 only. Next, 30 divided by 5. Again 5's table. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30. So here our answer is 5 6 are 30. And multiplication sentence 6 5s are 30. Means all these three numbers is came here. Next 12 divided by 2. 12 divided by 2. Here which table is there? 2's table. Start 2's table. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sixes are 12. So our answer is 6 because 2 6s are 12. And multiplication sentence is 6 multiplied by 2 is equal to 12. And as earlier I have explained you can write 2 multiplied by 6 is equal to 12. Both the weight is correct. Next example, 40 divided by 10. Here which table is there? Here 10's table. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30 and 10 fours are 40. Means here our answer is 4. And multiplication sentence 4 multiplied by 10. 4 tens are 40. Next 15 divided by 5. Which table? 5's table. So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15. So here our answer is 3. And multiplication sentence 3 multiplied by 5. 3 5s are 15. Now here 8 divided by 2. Which table? 2's table. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fours are 8. So here our answer is 2 fours are 8. And multiplication sentence 4 twos are 8. Next 9 divided by 3. Which table? Here 3's table. So start 3's table. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. So here our answer is 3. 3 threes are 9. And multiplication sentence 3 threes are 9. Now 18 divided by 6. Here which table is there? 6 table. So start 6 table. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18. So here 3. And multiplication sentence 3 multiplied by 6. 3 multiplied by 6. So 3 6 are 18. Next 49 divided by 7. Here which table is there? Here 7's table. 7 ones are 7. Now you are knowing when 49 will come in 7's table. So 7 7s are 49. So over here our answer is 7. And multiplication sentence 7 multiplied by 7 is equal to 7 7s are 49. Now our today's next topic is write related multiplication fact. Here we will write the multiplication fact. But before writing multiplication fact, we will write the answer of this division. Right? First question, 14 divided by 2. Here which table? 2's table is there. Now we will start 2's table till we get answer 14. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14. So here our answer is 7. 2 7 2s are 14, or you can say 2 7s are 14. Now we will write this multiplication sentence in this division sentence in a multiplication sentence. Now 2 multiplied by 7 is equal to 14. This is a multiplication fact. So 2 multiplied by 7 is equal to 14. Next, 35 divided by 5. Now here which table is there? 5's table. Now start 5's table till we get answer 35. So 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35. So here our answer is 7 because 5 7s are 35. Now we will write in a multiplication form. Here 5 is given. So 5 7s are 35. So here we will write 7. 5 7s are 35. So here product is 35. Next, 20 divided by 4. Here which table is there? 4's table. Start 4's table. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20. So here our answer is 4 5s are 20. So 5 is our answer. Now we will write this in a multiplication. Now we have 4 5s are 20. 4 5s are 20. Now our next topic, fill in the blanks. The same thing we will write in a blanks. First number, 21 divided by 7. Here which table is there? Here 7's table. So start 7's table. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21. So here our answer is 7 3s are 21. Now this we will write in a multiplication. Now here 7 multiplied by dash is equal to 21. Means how many 7s are 21? How many 7s are 21? So 3 7s are 21, or you can say 7 3s are 21. So here our answer is 3. See, 7 3s are 21. Now next, 40 divided by 5. Here which table is there? Here 5's table. So start 5's table. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40, 5 8s are 40. So here our answer is 8. And when we are writing this in multiplication, means here 5 multiplied by dash is equal to 40. Means how many 5s are 40? So 5 8s are 40. So here our answer is 8. 5 8s are 40. Next, 42 divided by 6. Again 6 table. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36, 6 7s are 42. So 6 7s are 42. So here our answer is 7. 6 7s are 42. Now this we will write in a multiplication. Now how many 6 are 42? So 6 7s are 42. So here we will write 7. These all are called, this is a division sentence and this is multiplication sentence. Now next topic, write division and multiplication sentences for the following situations. Here the sentences are given. From these sentences we will write division and multiplication sentences. First, 24 bananas shared by 6 monkeys. How many bananas are there? There are 24 bananas. Means these bananas are shared equally among 6 monkeys. So first we will write division sentence. For division sentence, what we are writing? We have to write first total number. So how many bananas are there here? 24 bananas are there. Now division means put a division sign. 24 divided by, and now these 24 bananas are shared equally among how many monkeys? The total number of monkeys are 6. So divided by 6. This is our division sentence. 24 divided by 6. So our answer is here 6 is there. So start table of 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24. So here our answer is 4. 6 fours are 24. Means here each monkey will get 4 bananas because there are 6 monkeys. Now this we will write in a multiplication sentence. When we are writing in multiplication sentence, now you all are knowing, multiply these two numbers, you will get total number as a product. So here we will multiply 4 multiplied by 6 is equal to 4 6 are 24. This is multiplication sentence. Now next, 18 benches shared by 9 students. First we will write division sentence. How many total benches are there? There are 18 benches. So first write down 18. These 18 benches are shared. Shared means divided. So here we will put a sign of division. 18 divided by. Now these 18 benches are shared among how many students? Among 9 students. So here 18 divided by 9 is equal to. Now here which table? 9's table. 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18. Means here our answer is 2. Means 9 students. If 18 benches are divided among 9 students, each student will get 2 benches. Now this we will write in a multiplication sentence. Multiply these two numbers, you will get 18 as a product. 2 multiplied by 9. So 2 9s are 18. So here 18 is our answer, or you can say product. Now 20 muffins are shared equally by 10 people. So here total how many muffins are there? Here total muffins are 20. So first write down 20. Now 20 muffins are shared equally means divided. So here put a sign, division sign. Equally among how many people are there? 10 people. So 20 muffins are divided among 10 people. So each will get how many muffins? For that, which table here we will start? We will start 10's table. So 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20. So here our answer is 2. Means each will get 2 muffins. Now this same we will write in a multiplication sentence. Now you all are knowing how to write multiplication. Multiply these two. Means 2 multiplied by 10. Answer is a 20 because 2 10s are 20. This is our division and multiplication facts of different situations here given. Here blanks are given. These all are division and multiplication sentences. Thank you.